honey, this was my first time using it on my hair. Good morning, y'all. I just woke up like maybe 3 minutes ago, and I just had to show you how my hair has been looking. I did a wash and go, or no, I actually did a wet look, and then I just let it do its thing. Yeah, I just want to let you see what it looks like after about, what is it? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, girl. 6 days. I just let my hair go for 6 days. This is what it looks like. It's dry as hell, but I feel like I still got all 2 days to rock this, but I'm not. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna wash my hair and condition it, and I am going to list what I use, because you know you girls love to see what people use. And I think today I'm going to do Flexi rods. You think I should do Flexi rods? Okay, so I just got out the shower. I washed my ass and my hoochie baby, including my hair. And right now what I have in my hair is this deep conditioner. Now I know as a whole, us women of color said we were going to cancel Cantu. But honestly, I like using Cantu shampoo when it's wash day and I'm not co-washing my hair. Like when I really need to wash all the gunk out my hair, penetrate you know, them pores and clean them, I use this because it's gonna get everything out. I mean, I like it too, and it's cheap, and it removes all the buildup, you know. So if you don't like to use Cantu, you can use your own shampoo, but I use Cantu because it cleanses my hair, it cleanses my scalp. And because of how my hair is, if I put too much of anything in it, buildup occurs, and this gets rid of it. Now, this time when I washed my hair, I sectioned it in 4 sections, and I did not use any comb or brush, anything like that. I used my hands. I just finger combed through. I'll make a video of that one day. But I feel like y'all should know how to wash y'all hair. Comb through, and then you know, get all up on the scalp. But yeah, so I rinsed it all out, and now I'm using this. I love this. This is like liquid gold. So it's for dry and brittle hair. It's nourishing conditioner. It's a deep conditioner by ORS Hair Repair, banana and bamboo, and your hair come out smelling like bananas. Child, bananas smell good. I don't care what y'all say. So now my hair is full of this from the root to the end. What I like to do when I deep condition my hair, which I deep condition my hair with this product. I deep condition my hair with this product every week. I just take some saran wrap and I just wrap my hair up. So I use saran wrap because I don't have no shower caps, and I feel like shower caps are a waste of money. I don't take showers with shower caps. So I want to get all that air out. I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer. I think I'm going to sit under it for about an hour. Whew. So I just rinsed out the conditioner. I dry my hair off with a cotton cloth, like t-shirt material or pillowcase material. I do not dry my hair off with a towel because that causes breakage. Whew. Yes, Afro-licious. Alright, so I will be using red and orange Flexi rods. Got orange ones and I got the red ones. Trusty water. Y'all know my favorite type of setting for my hair. The Lotta Body with coconut oil and shea oils. Wrap Me Foaming Loose. probably need to go buy some more of this. And this stuff is cheap, $5. This was $5, and in some places it's only like $3. But I bought this from a black-owned beauty supply, so I don't care if it was $7. I would have paid for it. Of course, this says Jamaican castor oil, but it literally has this much Jamaican castor oil. I can't have a lot of Jamaican castor oil because it's too thick for my hair. It doesn't penetrate my hair. It just simply sits there. So I have my mix of oils that's for my type of hair. I think I might start making this just to give out to my local Rasta girls. What y'all think? Y'all think I should do that? Ponytail holders, a clip, my favorite 3-prong comb. I need my glasses because y'all know I'm blind. Whew, I can see.
So we're gonna section our hair, your hair, my hair, whatever. Just section it off, because you know we like to work in sections because the hair be too thick. Take you a couple of drops of oil, work it through from the root to the end. Make sure you get those ends because that's the oldest hair. Start combing the product through from the ends to the root. Take your wrapping product, apply it to your hair. Make sure it's drenched. Now wrap your hair around the Flexi rod. Make sure you have enough room so you can close the Flexi rod at the top.
This is the final result of me putting all of these rods. So I just want to do a disclaimer. I've never done flexi rods on my natural hair. I've done it when my hair was straightened, and I've done it on weave, not on my hair. So let's hope it comes out right. And if it doesn't come out right, honey, I know how to fix some hairstyles. So see you in about an hour and a half. I'm gonna go sit under the dryer.
Now that the hair has been dried, you want to carefully take the flexi rods out. They usually just slide off, so you shouldn't have trouble with taking them out.
take my mimosa. Y'all know I love taking everything down with my mimosa. Put it on my fingertips. Do all of this. They're tight. So I am going to separate, twirl, separate, twirl, separate, twirl, separate, twirl.
As you can see, I am going by piece. Each curl I try to separate it into 4 to 6 different sections and finger coil them, because you make more curls like that and it gives a fuller look. We not out here trying to look like Shirley Temple.
About it. I must have didn't do this one right, but oh well. Wear my part on this side. And excuse my armpits, they're a little hairy. I get them waxed, so you know you gotta let that grow out some before you get them waxed. But hey, we all got hairy armpits, so I clearly messed up here, but who cares? So I am going to pick this out, but not all the way, because I want my curls to still be defined. I want to make sure that my part looks good. So I'm going to take Edge Brush Comb Duo and some Eco Styling Gel. I love this gel. Go ahead, go ahead. It's time for me to get some new gel. Take my little bobby pin. Okay, so this is the final results. Even though this is ugly, honey. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a bobby pin, because that's gonna irritate the shit out of me. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna just tuck it under. But this is the final result. I think I did okay. It's a little poofy in the back, but it'll be alright. I want to see how long this is gonna last. Anyway, so let me take these glasses off because the glare be getting on my nerves when I be doing the editing. I hope I help somebody out with, you know, using Flexi rods, because honey, this was my first time using it on my hair, my natural hair, and I see my camera's about to die, so I have to hurry up and do this ending. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Facebook, and yeah, and maybe my Instagram. I don't know, I don't care, do whatever you want to do. Bye.